Diga, and good journey here from the Magic Kingdom to finally ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And maybe Tron, I don't know if I'm going to get on in time. The boarding group is around the time I got to be leaving, sadly, so maybe not Tron. Definitely Tiana's Bayou Adventure. And got to see what I can of the Liberty Bell. That whistle reminds me of the Liberty Bell and Tom Sawyer Island and the Rivers of America. So, because those are added to the long list of things that I love that are closing. So, Dino Land and the Rivers of America and the Liberty Bell and Tom Sawyer Island will all be things I will be seeing quite a lot of in the coming months.
Join the band for sure.
These cats are birds.
But let's explore a bit more.
What's this?
Finally got to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and that was actually as good as everyone said. Like, it wasn't the greatest thing ever, but it was good. Like, that is, behind Rise, the second best attraction here in the US, second best domestic attraction that the Bob Iger company has ever made. That is pretty good. Like, the songs were perfect choices, obviously, from the movie, which has great songs. The animatronics were incredible, much better than Frozen Ever After. Can we please get that fixed at Epcot? That was incredible, though. Very well done. Rare kudos to the Bob Iger company. Now, I came over to Pirates because, of course, I love Pirates and I'm going to ride it because it's awesome. But I also wanted to see the progress on that Pirates Lounge. That's going where Pirates League used to be. So they are definitely expanding it quite a bit into the queue, which is good because Pirates League was quite small. So they've got this whole thing blocked off here and the queue side. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I will be here when this thing opens. One of the rare projects that I am extremely excited for. Yeah, right here where you come out of the attraction is usually where the gift shop, well, not usually because it's gone, but where it was. And then you can see they're ripping up a lot of the gift shop and expanding the Pirates League into that Pirates Lounge, which is going to be pretty awesome. It's over here, both sides of the gift shop and the exit queue now. That is pretty cool. Now, if you get further back here, you can get up in there and see some of that exposed, you know, inner workings of the building there, that they're changing to be part of the lounge. So that is pretty cool. And because all of that work on that gift shop, they've moved all the merchandise over here to what used to be called Tortuga Tavern, which now has this temporary overlay of Tortuga Treasures, which is still cool because all the cool merchandise is in here. But I'm a little bummed because I wanted to come in and see Tortuga Tavern itself, which I don't think is going anywhere. I think they just have it temporarily closed. Most of it's behind these doors here. So I wanted to look for references like this one here. So I just started reading the Jack Sparrow adventure novels. Young readers, I don't know if they're really novels, the books anyway, but this is a reference to one of the original characters from those books, Arabella Smith. So she is I don't want to say child, she's a teenager in the novels, and she lives on Tortuga, and actually her and her father run a tavern on Tortuga. So you don't see it in the movies, but we all just kind of assumed that the one in the movies was supposed to be this one here, Tortuga Tavern, but no, this one is actually Arabella Smith's tavern from those books. So I can't go in, they have it shuttered, so I can't see any other references. There's a cool one here, it's like a ship's log book that has the Black Pearl's crew logged in it, but I can't get in to see it today. I'll have to show it on a different video once it reopens. But it was cool to find that one reference to Arabella Smith, and I'm sure there's a few more secret little references like that hidden amongst Tortuga Tavern. Well, that was a pretty awesome day here at the Magic Kingdom. Beginning to say goodbye to the Liberty Bell as best I could. It was down, so I couldn't really ride it, but still got to kind of see it and get some decent B-roll of the rivers and of the Liberty Bell herself. And I went over to Tom Sawyer Island. I didn't get really too much footage today. I was just trying to see it and decide what I thought could be good footage for next time. I do have one video already out from months ago now where I was exploring Tom Sawyer Island because I had a bad feeling about it, and sadly that feeling is coming true. So I will be saying goodbye to Tom Sawyer Island, the Liberty Bell, the Rivers of America, and of course Dino Land quite a lot over the next few months. So yeah, that's kind of the itinerary for the future. But it was incredible finally riding Tiana's Bayou Adventure because it was actually surprisingly good. And I don't mean the concept of Tiana having an attraction. Of course that's an ingenious idea. I just mean the fact that they finally made a good attraction. They haven't made anything good. Tron's fine, but they haven't made anything like good since Rise, like 5 years ago. So it was nice to see them actually do something good for once. So that was nice, and it was just a good day here at the Magic Kingdom. Didn't get to do a ton of stuff. Sadly, I didn't get to do Tron because I have to leave. My boarding group was going to be called around the time where I need to be leaving, so I wasn't going to risk waiting in about an hour-long line, which has been my experience with the boarding group. Once you get called, it's still like an hour-long wait. So I can ride Tron next time, but I did what I really wanted to do, except ride the Liberty Bell, because sadly she was down all day. But that is okay. I will come back and see the Liberty Bell many more times before they take it away from us. So that's all. Enough rambling for the finale. I will see everyone a little later, of course, and Tabuite.
All around, the poles on the ground, rub it up and up in little home, screechy sound. Dimples on fingers makes a noise. They're jumping on top before the boys. Rapidly, the wind terror on Coney Island, watch her on the lake. On there, Coney Island, watch her kids play. Right, the rain
doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us aboard Monorail Peach. Our next stop is Disney's Contemporary Resort. For those of you standing, hold on to the silver handrails. Please do not lean on the automatic doors.
Aboard our highway in the sky, and hope you enjoy the magic feeling. We have traveled to Disney Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the door. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.